This deal in Home Depot, it is the best Milwaukee pack-out deal that I have seen. It's 2 days before Black Friday in 2024. I'm here at Home Depot, and I'm going to see how good these Black Friday deals actually are. This is a bonus video, kind of a different style for me, but I want to kind of go safari mode and take you guys along, and we're going to see if these deals are actually worth it. A couple things before we go inside that I'll have my eye on. I want to see if Milwaukee Packout is discounted at all. Milwaukee Packout's one of those products that is very rarely on sale. It's kind of like Festool. A lot of times Festool doesn't run sales. Same thing for Milwaukee Packout. You might every now and then see like a 10 or 20% off. So I'm curious to see, is there going to be a good deal on Milwaukee Packout? Also, I just always am on the lookout for batteries, Milwaukee batteries, rigid batteries, Ryobi batteries. What are the deals there? What are the deals on their power tools? And I might even get over to like the garden section a little bit and look at like, chainsaws, leaf blowers that are battery powered, things like that. Might do that in the back half of the video. I'm mostly focused on construction tools in this video. So should be a lot of fun. Let's go inside and see what we can find. Okay, just got back in my car, and I feel like I've been undercover when I was in that Home Depot because it's already super packed. You can tell people are already trying to go to Home Depot and save money on tools or buy Christmas gifts for their friends or family or whatever. So it was pretty packed, and I was trying to get some good footage for you guys and kind of take as many mental notes as I could on my lunch break, which is when I'm filming this. But here are a couple of the highlights. First off, maybe this is just my Home Depot, so this might not be in your Home Depot, but first thing I saw was a pallet that was just kind of in the middle of the aisle that had Ryobi and DeWalt package deals. Okay, so these were boxes that I think for the DeWalt, maybe it was a drill impact driver with batteries combo kit that you could save $80 on. This to me is a very great deal. I don't own any DeWalt drill or impact drivers, but several of my friends do, and so I've used them a good bit. They are great. I would honestly put them up there with Milwaukee drill and impact drivers, and I'm a huge Milwaukee fanboy. So there's DeWalt impact drivers there. There was also a 5 or 6 tool Ryobi kit, and I want to say it was for their 18-volt tools. Could be wrong on that, but this was $100 off. So if you're wanting to get kind of a basic Ryobi set, maybe starter kits that has the drill impact driver, you're seeing here what all it has, this would be a great option for you. Now, one of the main things I was looking for that I told you about is I was trying to figure out if they had any good deals on Milwaukee Packout. And they do. In fact, this is a similar deal that I saw earlier in the year on Tool Nut, which is a website where I get a lot of tools. A lot of times links in my video descriptions are to Tool Nut. And it was the best Milwaukee Packout deal that I've seen. This deal in Home Depot, it is the best Milwaukee Packout deal that I have seen. They have a deal where basically they market it like if you buy more, you save more. And so if you spend $200, $199 on Milwaukee Packout, anything in their Packout line, you're going to save $50. If you spend $300, you're going to save $90 off that. And if you spend $400, you're going to save $150. I took advantage of this deal earlier in the year when I saw it on Tool Nut. I got an entire shop cart. I got the drawers, the dolly. Those drawer pack-out cases are amazing for workshops, at least for my workshop, so I'm a huge fan. But as you can see, in Home Depot, there's tons of pack-out accessories, and you have that awesome buy more, save more deal. There were also a couple of one-off deals, like this particular pack-out case is, $20 or $30 or $40 off. But I think that buy more, save more. If you want to get a lot of Milwaukee Packout at once, this is the time to do it. When it comes to tool storage systems, I also noticed that Ryobi Flex, which is the kind of, their version of Milwaukee Packout, the Ryobi Flex was basically saving $10 per case. This, by the way, comes at a much cheaper price point than Packout. So, $10 a case is, I'd say, a solid deal. I wouldn't call it like a screaming deal or anything like that. Also, DeWalt, I think it's called their Tough system, had a couple of dollars off. It wasn't anything crazy, but you can see that system right there. The next big thing that really jumped out to me was Home Depot is running a deal that they're kind of marketing like a you pick the tool. And so they'll give a price and then they'll say, here's 4 or 5 tools for this price that you can pick whatever you want. And I noticed this with, for sure, Ryobi, For sure, Milwaukee. Once again, I'm a Milwaukee fanboy, so there are some really great deals here on specific tools. And so I'm showing you all the different prices that I saw for definitely Ryobi, definitely Milwaukee. If you need to just pause the video and see what tool is for what price, you can do that. I'm not going to bore you guys running through every individual tool because they had a lot of these kind of deals. I think we might have also saw a few of those type deals for Rigid and DeWalt, but it wasn't as many. It was mostly Milwaukee and Ryobi, at least that I saw in the 30 minutes that I spent in this Home Depot. One more major theme that I noticed when it came to these Home Depot deals is whether you're on the DeWalt battery platform, whether you're on the Milwaukee battery platform or Ryobi or maybe Rigid too, there's some amazing deals. The biggest deal that I noticed was actually I think it was the DeWalt 4 amp battery that was like, I want to say it was like $60 or $70 off. I'm showing you the exact prices here on the screen. And that is, to me, a very great deal, especially if you're already on the DeWalt platform and you just want to pick up a few extra batteries. This will probably be the time to do it. I also noticed some M12 Milwaukee batteries that had a great deal. I think I saw a 2-pack of like the M12 3 amps for, I want to say $100. Once again, I'm showing you the price here on the screen. There was a lot that I couldn't remember the exact prices of, but Milwaukee and DeWalt batteries especially, there are some great deals on those. One more cool thing that I saw that I wasn't really looking for, but looked like it was like $300 off, was a Milwaukee M18 lawnmower. I have no experience with this lawnmower. I've never used it. I just saw that it was a couple $100 off and thought, that's interesting. Now, just so you know, Home Depot does not sponsor this video. None of the brands I've talked about sponsors this video. I have not used every tool that I have showed you in this video. I just wanted to go into a Home Depot, give you guys my honest reactions onto how the Black Friday deals are this year. And I think there are some great deals, especially when it comes to batteries, Milwaukee Pack Out, and some like tool packages, you know, like drill impact driver sets or starter kits with Ryobi. There's a lot of great deals that are probably at your Home Depot. So be sure to check those deals out. And hey, let me know in the comments if you pick up any of these or, you know, any other tools. I'd love to know in the comments, you know, what your thoughts are. If you enjoyed this video, I'm always making tool review videos, woodworking project videos, so I'd love to have you around for future content. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later.